We were studying about spermatogenesis, where I had told you that it begins at the age of puberty and it is made in spermatogenesis. The sperms are made by the spermatogonia, the specific immature cells that are present in the testis, where at the inner wall of testis. Now there are some other things which we could mention here to understand how the spermatogenesis takes place. There are some hormonal impacts. Hormonal impacts are also there which are involved in the spermatogenesis. There are basically two or three hormones involved. First of all, we will see first activity what happens. Number one, the hormonal impact involves increase in GnRH concentration. GnRH, that is gonadotropic releasing hormone. Where it is found? GnRH of hypothalamus. So GnRH of hypothalamus has been increased, and this GnRH acts on the specific part, that is pituitary, and acts on pituitary. And this pituitary later secretes two types of hormones. That two types of hormones are, number one, LH or luteinizing hormone. Keep remember, LH, that is luteinizing hormone, and second one is FSH, that is follicular stimulating hormone. Listen again, luteinizing hormone and follicular stimulating hormone. These two hormones are released by the anterior pituitary. This pituitary is what? Anterior pituitary. So anterior pituitary releases these two hormones by the action of GnRH of hypothalamus. Now what happens there? Luteinizing is doing something here, and then similarly FSH will be also doing something here. So what is being done by the luteinizing hormone? So luteinizing hormone acts on the Leydig cells. It acts on Leydig cells. What happens there? By acting on the Leydig cells, they synthesize as well as secrete. Synthesize and secrete. This synthesize and secrete the specific hormone that is called androgen or male hormone. So androgen has been synthesized or secreted by the luteinizing hormone that stimulates spermatogenesis. What is the basic function of androgen? To stimulate what? Spermatogenesis. Now the role of FSH is retained here. We will see how the FSH is working here. So follicular stimulating hormone or FSH is there on acting on the Sertoli cells and stimulates something. It acts on Sertoli cells. You know it is the nourishing cell. It acts on the Sertoli cells and stimulate the secretion of some factors. Stimulate secretion of some factors which are helpful in the process of spermiogenesis. So it has been helping in the spermatogenesis. These factors are helpful in spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. This is the another term that is involved here, that is called spermiogenesis. We will know about this spermiogenesis also in the process of spermatogenesis or mechanism or steps of spermatogenesis. So we will study in detail in the next class. Till then,